Hey, Brian Rush here, going to show you how to make some coffee with just roast coffee, fresh coffee. Have some green. First of all, what you need is green coffee beans. Any type of green coffee beans will work. This is just a Colombia bean, Supremo. Any type of green coffee beans you can find will work just fine. What I use is 4 tablespoons twice, so 8 tablespoons total. And then you'll need a popcorn popper. Air popper works the best. Okay, you can pick these up at any garage sale. And this is just a pipe that fits down inside. Okay, so that when the beans start popping, they don't pop out of your air popper and go everywhere, and gives it room for emit the smoke and any type of chaff that comes out of there as well. Okay, I put this clamp on here because that obviously gets hot. We're going to take this off of here after the beans are roasted. So 8 tablespoons in your popper. Then you're ready to go. Bring your popper on. Now I'm doing this inside my shop. I have this vacuum on because obviously it's going to emit some smoke and chaff. So at this point, your beans are going to start heating up and roasting. And they're going to go through 3 stages, 3 crack stages. The first crack stage will sort of look like this. And then as the beans start getting hotter and hotter, it's going to go into a second crack stage, and you can audibly hear these stages. This is where most people will stop after that second crack, and that's normally what your Folgers coffee out of a can is like. I like to take mine to the 3rd crack, and that is a dark roast. I like my coffee really dark. And that's the nice thing about making your own, is because you can do it the way you like to have it. And so you can see here, as I'm pulling them up, you can see the oils start to come out in the beans. It's starting to get that bean starting to get a gloss look. And then you actually turn it off, and I put it in a colander. And you can see the smoke coming off the beans. They're extremely hot at this point, and I have my exhaust obviously there, the smoke going up in the exhaust, but aren't those beautiful? Well, they look really good, and they taste really good too. Nothing better than fresh roasted coffee, and you can see a close-up here of what they look like. Here I'm just transferring the beans over into my container that I store them in. And I let them degas for 24 hours. I don't put the lid on tight just because they need time to degas so they won't be bitter. I like my coffee really dark, as you can see here, and some people don't like it that way, but to each his own. All right, have a good day.